Hi, this is Rick Filio. I'm out in Pembroke, New Hampshire. Today is April 22nd, 2018, and I've got this 1989 Evinrude 30 horse. Came to me thinking it was having some problems. I replaced the water pump in it and cleaned up a few connections, cleaned the carburetor a little bit, and I'll just give you a quick demo how it's running, see how it goes. Got it idling down quite a bit. It was smoking quite a bit before, so I don't know if somebody got carried away with the fogging oil or running too much oil in the motor. But I've had it idling for probably 20 minutes now for this. It's running pretty good. I can shift it in and out of gear. That caught the barrel. There's reverse. I'll say it's actually been running pretty good. I don't know if I solved it or just got lucky or anyway. Thanks for watching.